Good afternoon, all. So, today we'll study the first assignment of PPS, which is to calculate the salary of employee whenever his basic pay is given. So, here you need to take the basic pay from the user side, okay, and after that, you need to perform the operations to find out HRA, TA, and the tax. And on the basis of these three values, you are going to calculate the net salary after deducting the tax. So, firstly, we'll copy it just a second and we'll use it as a comment in your Python program. To start a Python, you will require the IDLE. After that, go to the new file, then save this new file with some name. Okay. So here, suppose the name of the file is assignment underscore underscore one, and the extension for the Python is .py. So save it. Wait a minute, we'll increase the size of it. Okay, it's already 22. Okay. After that, that copied text will be given in a comment. Next one is you need to calculate. You need to take the value input from the user side basically. So how you are going to take it? X is equal to input, then the input, the basic pay. Okay. Here you have taken the value from the user side, but whatever the values you are going to take from the user side will be in string format, and salary will not be in string format, right? You need to convert it into the integer. So write down integer. Okay. Then you need to check whether the value is positive or not. To check it, you will require the if x is greater than 0. You need to calculate the HRA. HRA is equal to your basic pay into 10 divided by 10% of your basic pay. And here the basic pay is given in integer. HRA, it may be in float format, so you have to convert it into the float. Okay. If you want, you can print it. Print HRA. And the value of that HRA will be given by using the HRA variable. Next, TA. TA is equal to, again we are going to convert it into the float. That value into basic pay into the 5% of it. If you want, you can print it again. Print, then the TA is equal to, after that the tax you need to calculate. Tax is equal to, again, float. It is a 2% of your salary into divided by 100. Okay. And the print the tax. Okay. So the next part is you need to calculate actual salary, net salary. Net salary is equal to basic pay plus HRA plus TA and minus tax. After that, print if print net salary is equal to underscore salary at variable name where at net salary is stored. Okay. Next one is else statement. If the value of basic pay is less than 0, means it is a negative number. So at that time you need to display this message and print salary as a positive number. Okay. The next part is you need to run this program. You can run this program from here, the run module, or you can use directly F5 function here. Okay, you can click here or you can use the F5 key also. Okay, write down, enter the basic pay. So the basic pay is suppose you have given 18,000. It will display HRA, TA, tax and the net salary. Okay. If you want to use the command prompt, then you can use command prompt also. Just write down command cmd. After that, you need to find out the location of your Python in your system. Okay, so the location of my Python in my system is this one. So I have calculated, copied that path, then move to write down cd, paste that path. So the Python will be open here. You can directly run that program by using the name of that program .py extension. So here the name of our program is assignment underscore underscore one .py. Okay, basic pay. Okay. So your program will run by using just the name of that program and the extension of that Python is .py.